Good morning, students. Today we are going to start worksheet 4 of chapter 8. Okay, in this worksheet 4, our topic is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is new topic for you. See, this is a right angled triangle. Its one angle is 90 degree. If in a triangle one angle is of 90 degree, then we call that triangle as right angled triangle. Okay, and we know that in a triangle there are three sides. We will give names to them. This is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, in a right angled triangle, one condition is one of the angle is of 90 degree. Okay, and hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, we know that in a triangle three sides are there, and from these three sides hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, base and perpendicular can be equal, can be greater, this can be greater, okay, in length, but hypotenuse is the greatest length. Okay, greatest side, and hypotenuse is the opposite side of right angle. Okay, if right angle is here, this angle is 90 degree, then this opposite side is hypotenuse. Clear? Now, in what is Pythagoras theorem? This is the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of the other sides. Sum of the squares of other sides means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, in this way we can write h square is equal to p square plus b square. Clear? Now this worksheet 4 is based upon this Pythagoras theorem. Question number 1 is the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 17 centimeter long. Okay, a right angled triangle is given, its hypotenuse is given 7 centimeter, and one of the remaining sides of is of length 8 centimeter. Two sides are remaining sides. Okay, we can write 8 centimeter this, we can write it this also. Okay, actually it is not mentioned. From these two sides we can mention any, we can take any one side. Clear? 8 centimeter this is we have taken. Now find the length of other side, third side length we have to find this length. Clear? Now we will write in right angled triangle ABC on at angle B, 90 degree angle is there, and then AC is hypotenuse, this is 17 centimeter, base is 8, and perpendicular you have to find. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we can use this formula, h square is equal to p square plus b square. We know that what is h is AC. We in place of h we can write AC here in this way. Okay, we can write the values, squaring 8 square squaring, then transposing, we can transpose 64 here, and after subtracting we will get 225. We can find its square root, square 15 square is equal to 225. We can write it in this way, square square we can cancel, it means AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, so the length of third side is 15 centimeter. Yeah. Now next is question number 3. The length of question number 2 is same as question number 1. You can do this question yourself. Now we are going to do question number 3. The length of two sides of right triangle is are equal. The square of the hypotenuse is this. Find the length of each side. This is the triangle. Here we have written different names, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any name you can give. When name is not given, then you can give any name from your side. Given that in right angle triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR. It is given that two sides are equal. we know that hypotenuse is the greatest side, it cannot be equal, then these two sides are equal. Okay, we have written, suppose this is equal to x, we supposed x centimeter, this is a square, hypotenuse square is, it is given, the square of hypotenuse is 800 centimeter square. Okay, it is already given by using Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to this, we know that, we know h square is PR, P is this, and it is given PR square, hypotenuse square already given, its square 800, PQ is x, we can write x square here, x square. Whenever we will solve this by transposing, we will get value of x. Okay, so the length of each side is PQ is equal to QR is 20 centimeter. Okay, both the sides are of 20 centimeter length. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is, the two poles of height 6 centimeter and 11 meter and 6 meter stands on a plain ground. Okay, this is a plain ground. Here two poles, one is of 6 meter height and another is of 11 meter height. This is okay, this is 11 meter and this is 6 meter height are standing. Okay, and the distance between their feet is 12 meter. The distance between their feet is 12 meter. This distance is 12 meter. And find the distance between their tops. This is the top of this pole and this is, you have to find the distance between their tops. Okay, let AB is height of first pole, that is 6 centimeter. CD is height of second pole, this is 11 meter. When we will draw parallel line AE to BD, we will draw this parallel to this. Okay, when this is 12 centimeter, then it will be also 12 centimeter. Okay, because this is ABDE is a rectangle. Okay, we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. This side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. We can write it like this, ED is equal to AB. See, ED is equal to AB. This is 6, this is 6 and whole length is 11. We can subtract 11 minus 6, we will get this length. Okay, means CE is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we get a right angled triangle. Here this is the perpendicular, this is base, we can find this. Okay, hypotenuse, this way, right angle triangle, this thing you know already. Okay, you can find the distance. This is, we find AC is the distance between the tops of two poles, which is 13 meter. This is our answer. Okay, one more question, question number 5. Question number 5, it is given, find the length of the diagonals of rectangle whose sides are 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. This is the rectangle is given to you, its sides are given, length and breadth are given. You have to find the diagonal, length of the diagonal you have to find. Okay, we know that this is 15, this is 15, no problem. This is 8, this is 8, but this is the diagonal. It means we know that in a rectangle every angle is of 90 degree. It means whenever we will draw this diagonal here, then two right angles we will get. This is the right angle triangle. We can find triangle ABC. We can find the length of this diagonal by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in this way you can do this question. This is your homework. Do question number 2 and 5 of this worksheet. Okay, thank you.